Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Golden Guitar. Matthew Ifield, maybe first time on Golden Guitar, I'm not sure. Maybe you who subscribed to me long time, maybe you have the answer there. Anyway, ready for love, are we? That's the question. That's what he sings about. So, a nice song from Matthew. We're gonna look into two styles of handling this, both pick and way, but also strumming, and I demonstrated that for you here just now in the introduction of this tutorial. So let's go through the chords needed for this song. We have no need for any capo here, and we're gonna start with 6 chords, and they will be the main chords, but we'll add on 4 a little bit different chords to that, or actually 3 to that corporation chords overall, cause they will be used in the bridge part later on. So anyway, let's start with this A, and it goes like that: open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord will be the F sharp minor, and that it's a bar chord. You'll play the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have E next, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the D minor next. That goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the standard D as well, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. That's the only difference from D minor to D. And then we have the B minor, which is a bar chord. So you play the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So there we have the main chords, but to handle the bridge part later on, we need to learn the F plus chord. I believe that is the answer I got when I searched for this chord. A little bit different. So I played 3rd fret D string, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 1st E. And then we have the F sharp minor / E. So you just play a bar on the 2nd fret from a D string and down. So 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. And then finally we have the F sharp minor / D sharp. So you have the D sharp note in the bass there. So what I do, I play the 1st fret D string, and I still having a bar there from the G string and down on the 2nd fret. So 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. And there we have the chords needed for this song. So before we go into this, I promised to show you how to play with both picking and strumming pattern. We'll come to the strumming. But first, let's go over the basics for this 6 main chords. So for A, you're going to play like this. And that is basically to think the pyramid goes down and back up again. So you're going to play and hold the chord as it is. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and back up to 2nd G and 2nd D. And that is 1 round. And for F sharp minor, you're going to hold the chord again as it is and play. And that is 2nd E, 4th D, 2nd G, 2nd B, 2nd G, and 4th D. And for the E, that is open E string, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, 1st G, and 2nd D. For D minor, again hold the chord as it is and you play open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E, 3rd B, 2nd G. For B minor, that is 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B, back to 4th G, and 4th D. And the final chord is D. Again, same pattern here. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E, back to 2nd G, B, and second G. All right, so there we have the picking pattern as well, and you can choose to play this or the strumming I'm going to teach you right now. So if you go to the first chord, A, one string around will be like this. Okay, so that will be the same as one picking round. So you're going to play downs only. So 3 downs first, then a clap, and then 2 down. So 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. And that is one round. A couple of rounds goes like this. Alright, so now we're ready for the actual song. We're going to start with the first verse, and you're going to play A, 1, F sharp minor, 1. You go in both melody or the strumming style, it's up to you. You're going to play that 3 rounds back and forth. So A1, F1, A1, F1, A1, F1. And then in the 4th round, you're going to play E1 and D minor 1. And that is one round, okay? Like this. Last round, and E, D minor. That is all one round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, and that is your first verse. Okay, into the chorus. Again, you can continue with the picking pattern or strumming. Now you're gonna play B minor 1, A1, E2. You're gonna play that chord progression for 3 rounds, and on the 4th round, you're gonna play D2, D minor 1 plus 1 extra down. On the bass string, the open D string, or 1 down. If you play the strumming, 1 full down. So B minor, A, and E2. Third round. And D, and D minor, and a pause. Okay, that is the first round. Now back to this second verse, just repetition, playing exactly in the same way for 2 rounds, and the same goes with this second chorus. After the second chorus, we are about 2 minutes and 3 seconds in, I believe, or so. Now comes the bridge part with this little bit different chords, and what we're gonna play now is 4 downs and a pause. So if you grab the first chord, which is the F sharp minor, you're gonna play it like this. And a pause. So 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. But you're gonna stay with 1 chord for only 1 strumming round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you switch to the next chord, and that will be the F plus chord I mentioned. And then comes this F slash E chord. And then comes the F slash D sharp chord. Okay, so you're gonna play that. So F sharp minor, then the F plus, then this F E, and the F D. And then you're gonna go into D, 2 string rounds with the standard strumming with down, 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 clap, down, down. And then 2 string rounds for D minor with the standard strumming down, 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 clap, down, down. All that is 1 round. And then you play the next round. You start again with this 4 downs and a pause with F sharp, then the F plus, the F E, and F D, and then D 2 strumming rounds, and then D minor 2 strumming rounds. So I'm gonna give you 1 full round out of this too, and it goes like this. Then you play that 1 more time, all right? And that will be the bridge part. After that comes the third chorus, again, playing exact same way as the previous choruses, no changes there. And then that follows with the final part, the outro. You're gonna play A1 and F1 with plain strumming. You're going to play that for 3 rounds back and forth, and then you end on a beautiful D minor. And that, my friends, is how you handle Matthew Ifield's Ready for Love. So, are you ready for a great song? Grab your guitar, check out this tutorial, learn the chords, no need for any capo here. You can go pretty easy with just strumming and then try to focus on the picking pattern if you wish. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support me here. Or actually, I'm pretty much forcing you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.